Got the valley cover bolts all torqued down. Got the torque sequence on them, and torqued down the valley plate sensor right there. That's the oil pressure sensor. Boom, that goes I think 25 foot-pounds. Yeah, so now the only thing left to do is drop this blower on this baby. Let's do it. Okay, I got the lid taken off. As you can see, all the bolts are set in for mounting this supercharger. They do go by a sequence. You can get that sequence online real easy. It's the same for a CTSV LSA and a Zl1 LSA supercharger. So right now, the first pass was at I did them at 5 pounds. 5 pounds just to make it an even number. I think it was calling for like a 4. And then the last pass I'm gonna run at 8 pounds. So 8 pounds, that's foot pounds, okay? Foot pounds. Inch pounds would be 89 for the second pass. So I'm on the second pass now, and I got this baby set to shoot, I forgot, I think 8. Hey, how you guys doing? Don't forget to check out my boy Josh at Overkill Performance Garage in Sacramento, where he can take care of all your needs. You need that Hellcat modified, no problem. You want to make that high horsepower, he got your back. Or if you just want a simple head and cam package on a Zl1 Camaro, or that nasty cam on that Corvette, he got your back. E85 conversions, aluminum drive shaft, differential brace, he got what you need. Even on a regular domestic or import, regular repairs, he also got your back. Remember, you can always choose a shop that has the cheapest quote, but it's much more than that. At Overkill Performance, they live and breathe cars, especially performance cars. So hit up my boy Josh at Overkill Performance Garage in Sacramento, and he's gonna make that magic happen for you. Yeah, 8 or 7 or something. Either way, 89 inch pounds. Boom, that's it. And it's not much at all, man, at all. Now, this last one, as you can see, it's a pain in the ass to get to, but there is a trick to it. And you get your handy dandy crowbar, put the crowbar right under the tab that isn't gonna affect the gasket, and you just lift up a little bit on it. All the way over here, that one right there. All right, and number 10, the last one right there. Boom. So since they're all done, I would just make a final pass on all of them again. That's done. That's done. That's done. Done. Go. Yeah, there we go. All right. Yeah. This is going to be 8 foot-pounds. 1. This is the torque sequence for the supercharger lid. There we go. That's all it's gonna get. Woo! And that's. All right, I don't know if any of you guys have ever played around with these valve covers, but my D sold them to me, and they have like a little stud that screws into the head. And we're gonna get these finalized. So they got these bolts here, and then on the inside of it, they screw into like a stud. So let me get that stud. Hold on, put this right over. As you can see, they're kind of dirty. But yeah, this right here, you get an Allen key, and you put it in here and screw them into the head. So I got to pull all of them out because those are just temporarily set. Loctite them and thread them back in. There's one. No, there it is. So this one came out with it. So there's one left in there. Okay, so what you do is you get your Loctite. You put some Loctite on here. Boom. That's about enough. Get your Allen key. Put it on the end of the stud. Reach right on in. Thread one in. There you go. And tie it. Any excess blue Loctite, I want to wipe it up. Don't want that getting in the engine. Okay, then repeat the process. Or you know what? Let's do this first. Let's get this guy on. So then you thread this onto that. There you go. And repeat the process. Allen key definitely drop down to the bottom. All right, we're good to go. Voila.